Good morning, my dear students. This is Suraj Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Let us understand today the chapter number 2 is matter around the sphere. This is the chemistry class 9 mixture. Mixture of two type, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Let us understand the homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture has a uniform composition throughout. It means they have the same composition of all the elements they are going to mix. There are no visible and sharp boundaries between the various constituent of homogeneous mixture. For example, sugar solution is a mixture of sugar in water. Any portion of this solution contains the same proportion of sugar and water. Air is a homogeneous mixture of oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. Second is the heterogeneous mixture. A heterogeneous mixture does not have a uniform composition throughout its mass. There are visible and sharp boundaries between the various constituents of such a mixture. A mixture of sand and common salt is a heterogeneous. The composition of different parts of mixture have different proportion of sand and common salt. A mixture of two immiscible liquids has also heterogeneous. Properties of matter are what are the properties of matter? These are the mixture and they are properties of mixture. A mixture may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. The constituent of mixture can be separated by physical methods such as filtration, sublimation, and magnetic separation. In the preparation of a mixture, energy is usually neither given out nor absorbed. The composition of a mixture is not fixed. A mixture has no definite melting point, boiling point, etc. And the sixth number is in the formation of a mixture, no chemical reaction is occurs. So, my dear student, thank you for watching my videos. This is Suraj Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Let us now understand the different parts of the difference of NCERT syllabus. Difference between the compound and mixture. What are the difference between the slightly the difference between the compound and mixture? Let us understand today also. This thing extra I am giving you, and after the NCERT question. So let us understand the difference between the compound and mixture. What are the difference? The mode of difference between the compound and mixture are, I am going to write here. So let us understand. You all know the definition of compound and mixture. Compound is a substance which is made of two or more than two elements. That is compound. And mixture is a substance which is formed by the formation of two or more than two substances by mixing the uniform proportion and unequal proportions. So these are the things we are going to understand today. So let us learn the chemistry in a simple way. And you are able to read the chemistry in a simple way, in a sognestic way. So my dear student, let us understand the chemistry in a very simple, easy steps. And you are going to learn chemistry with a very simple teacher. This is Sureja. Very simple, very sognestic, and very cooperative. Difference between a mixture and compound. I am going to tell you the difference between the mixture and compound. Difference between mixture and compound. So one side is mixture, second side is compound. Compound. The first part of it is made up of two or more pure substance. It is made up of two or more pure substance mixed in any proportion. Any proportion. Okay. It is a pure substance made up of two or more elements. Substance pure elements combined together in a fixed proportion. Proportion. Second point of difference, the constituent of a mixture can be separated by the constituents of a mixture can be separated by simple physical process.
आपा ने कुछ भैया तो नहीं खा रहे पेट दर्द रहा
The constraint of compound cannot be
नहीं अभी सुट्टा दे हाँ दवाई कर दिए नहीं ठीक है अभी
cannot be separated by such physical methods.
भैया पापा
हेलो हेलो हाँ पापा नाम
Such physical methods.
कुछ नहीं फिर
In a mixer, the properties of the constraint
मैं हल्का हल्का था हाँ रात पूरी खा लिया प्रसिद्धि नहीं चल रहा है संयोग रुपये नहीं खाई
of the constraint do not disappear.
हाँ अभी थोड़ा ठीक लग रहा
Do not.
ठीक हाँ
The properties of a compound are entirely different. Compound are entirely different from those of his constraint. Constraint. It may be heterogeneous or homogeneous. Or homogeneous. It may be homogeneous or it is always homogeneous. Always homogeneous. Fifth point of difference is in its formation no new substance is formed. In its formation no new substance is formed. Point number 5. It is a new substance entirely different. It is a new substance entirely different from his constitution. From his constituents. Point number 6. No energy change takes place during its formation. No energy takes place during its formation. The formation of a compound obviously the formation of a compound is accompanied by of a compound is always accompanied by energy change. Energy change. And the last point but not the least, it has no definite melting point, boiling point, etc. It has no definite melting point, boiling point, etc. A compound has a definite melting, boiling point, etc. A compound has a definite melting point, boiling point, etc. So my dear friend, let us understand difference between the mixture and compound. These are the mixtures and these are the portion compound. The first point of difference, it is mixture is made up of two or more pure substance mixed in any proportion. It is a pure substance made up of pure element combined together in a fixed proportion. The constituent of a mixture can be separated by simple physical process. The constituent of a compound cannot be separated by such physical method. So these are the point of difference. Third is the in a mixture, the proportion of the constituent do not appear. The properties of a compound are entirely different from those of its constituents. It may be heterogeneous or homogeneous. It is always homogeneous. In its formation, no new substance is formed. It is a new substance entirely different from its constituents. No energy takes place during its formation. The formation of a compound is always accompanied by energy change, and it has no definite melting point, boiling point, etc. in mixture. In compound, a compound has a definite melting point, boiling point, etc. So my dear friends, this is the difference between the mixture and compound. It is quite clear from your the topic. After that, we have to learn the question of NCRT. The question of NCRT about the difference between what is meant by substance, and list the points difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. After that, we read the solutions. So my dear students, this is the starting topic. So thank you for watching my video. This is Surayan, chemistry teacher. Welcome to my channel Chemistry Wala Answer. Don't skip the video. Go throughout the whole video and share it to your friend also, and subscribe more and more and give more views, likes and share. Thank you all of you. Thank you.